Hi, my name is Scott Gibson with Beneath the Surface. I'm here with Brent Cook of Exploration Insights. Brent, wanted to talk to you a little bit about where you think the market's going to go now for the juniors. It's been bad. Is it going to get better? Is it going to get worse in the short term and then longer term?
The good news, it's going to get a lot worse. And I say that because if those of us who have been holding back with cash, there's going to be fantastic opportunities to come in and pick up legitimate quality exploration companies at a real price, or projects as well. So I think overall it's going to get worse. If you talk to John Kaiser, he can lay out the data of how bad it really is in terms of how much cash most of these guys have and what they're trading at. So it's going to get a lot worse. We're going to see a lot of destruction in this sector, but we're overdue for it. So that's the bad news and good news at the same time.
Well, I think John's numbers are pointing to half the companies in the industry, the junior mining companies, have less than $500,000 cash, somewhere around that, that benchmark.
It's bad.
That's really bad. And that's where the opportunities are created with the potential financings coming maybe in the fall or whenever the market starts to pick up again. There's going to be great opportunities for
I think so, but there's no room for error. None. I don't think anyone's going to bail you out. There's no dumb money behind us. We're jumping in. No one's going to bail us out. So anything anyone buys right now, they had better make sure that they're buying, they know what they're buying quality management, good share structure, and a project that actually has a chance of being something that a major will buy. So you're not going to get bailed out.
No, well, it's going to be a stock picker's market. It's going to be select stocks that are going to do well over the next 6 to 12 months. Yeah. What are some of the companies you like that satisfy that criteria? Quality management, has some cash.
Well, I did a couple weeks ago in the newsletter. I went through the whole portfolio, and we own 4 prospect generator style companies, and amongst them we're participating in 88 potential discoveries at almost zero cost balance sheet risk to us through those joint ventures. So I think exploration companies that are employing, or have been employing, not are being forced into now, but are employing the prospect generator model, like Lara, like Riverside, like Altius, like Virginia, like Miranda. These companies, they've got the cash, they've got the management, and they're going to be around. And those are the ones that will eventually make a discovery. So that's the safest bet out there.
And in terms of disclosure, you talk about the companies that you own in your publication, so you own all those companies?
That's a good point. My newsletter is about what I'm doing with my money. No one pays me to talk good or bad about them. So yes, I own those stocks, and I own with my own money, and they're in the newsletter, and that's how I make my money.
And for full disclosure, I don't own those stocks.
You should.
Yeah, apparently I should. Thanks very much. Again, that's Brent Cook with Exploration Insights. My name is Scott Gibson with Beneath the Surface. Thanks for being with us.